Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down and focus on the general settings. At the second place we have horizontal level option, so by using this button we can easily turn on our leveler, and another tap to turn it off. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see it. As you can see we have this line. This is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And of course when we don't need this we can easily go back to the left to these settings and use this button to turn it off again. And for now the leveler has gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.